To begin with academics, in class 12th board examination, we achieved 100% result with performance index of 58.21. I feel honored to inform the August gathering that our topper student, Master Puneet of class 12th commerce, scored 91.4% marks. Coming to the result of class 10, it was not very overwhelming at 91.6 pass percentage with a PI of 53.33. Academic supervision is a routine affair of KVS working, and our Vidyalaya has made it a custom of getting very good grade in the inspection carried out by our officers of Regional Office Gurugram. School level science and social science exhibitions were organized in the Vidyalaya in order to motivate each and every student to bring out their hidden talent. After selection from these school level exhibitions, 8 students participated in KVS Regional Science Exhibition held at Delhi and 20 students participated at Regional Social Science Exhibition held at Bhatinda. If we are scaling new height in academics, then our budding sport stars are not lagging behind. Tamanna of class 10 and Shivani of class 8 were selected to represent KVS in School Games Federation of India in Judo. Master Madhur of class 9 and Karamjit of class 10 represented KVS at SGFI meet in archery. Annual sports meet held on 15 December 2015 provided the students with an opportunity to show their talent at Vidyalaya level. The Vidyalaya got 2 gold medals in judo girls, 2 gold medals in archery boys, and 1 silver medal in taekwondo boys in KVS National Sports Meet 2015-16 held at Jaipur, Delhi and Lucknow respectively. Bharat Scouts and Guides movement, which inculcated the value of discipline and social service, was vibrant throughout the year with various camps and testing camps. Along with one-day camp held at Vidyalaya level, 5 students participated in Rajya Puraskar testing camp held at Barnala and 16 students participated in Cub and Bulbul Mahotsav held at Bhatinda. To give a feel and exposure of the outside world, students are taken on trips and excursion to different places. We took our students on educational trips to Vita Meat Plant and branch of Kotak Mahindra Bank. On the occasion of Children's Day, students enjoyed the magic show organized in the Vidyalaya, where the great magician Suraj Samrat puzzled all of us with different magical tricks performed during the show. The latent and inherent dramatic and acting talent of the students is given a chance to grow and mature through different CCA competitions. Different inter-house competitions held under the aegis of CCA competitions provide the students with a platform to sharpen their talent and overcome stage phobia. The students realize the importance of different days as they celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day, Children's Day, Teachers Day, Ekta Divas, Vigilance Week, Hindi Pakhwada, KVS Foundation Day, etc. in the school. The students were also made to actively participate in the new schemes like Digital India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, etc. launched by our Honorable Prime Minister in order to promote secularism, unity and harmony and to spread the message of peace and universal brotherhood. Vidyalaya celebrated Mathematics Week from 16 December to 22nd December 2015 to commemorate the birth anniversary of the great Indian mathematician Ramanujam. During the week, house-wise quiz competitions were conducted, film shows were organized, and an exhibition was organized where children presented different models and projects undertaken by them. Our staff members are also not lagging behind the students, but have also made us proud when 2 of our staff members, Mr. V.K. Verma, TGT Work Experience, and Mr. Chabila Ram, sub-staff, were selected by the KVS to receive Regional Incentive Award during the session 2015-16. To embrace teachers with latest development in teaching and learning areas and to update and refresh their knowledge, KVS conducts various training programs like workshops, seminars, orientation courses, in-service courses regularly, and our staffs were actively involved in these training programs and were able to implement the new techniques during the teaching learning process in the classroom. To lay a strong foundation in its students, KVS lays special stress upon the education of its tiny tots. Under strengthening of primary education, different activities and trainings as modules are carried out at cluster level CMP, that is Common Minimum Program. On one hand, cluster level activities provide students with chance of interacting with their peers from other schools and also open to them new avenues of learning. We at Kendriya Vidyalayas believe in the dictum, mother is the first teacher and teacher is the second mother. So I on my behalf and on the behalf of my faculty members appeal to all the parents to be mature but childlike with their words. I on behalf of my team of dedicated teachers assure you that we would leave no stone unturned in our endeavor of shaping the future citizens. Let me acknowledge and accept that whatever the school has achieved and whatever we intend to achieve would not have been possible without the visionary and supportive directions of the officers of KVS, both at regional level as well as headquarter level. Let me once again assure the august gathering present here that with the blessings of the Almighty and the good wishes of all of you that you shower upon this school, we are sure of scaling new heights, setting new benchmarks so as to make KV2 Sirsa the best institute of this area. With these words, I thank you all for your patient listening and with the hope that you all must be enjoying the cultural extravaganza presented by our students here tonight for your entertainment. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
जिनका पार्टिसिपेशन हो चुका है वो इधर लेफ्ट साइड में स्टेज के आ जाएं और जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं वो पीछे स्टेज के पीछे से ही आ जाएंगे। जिन सभी बच्चों को प्राइज मिलना है वो सभी स्टेज के लेफ्ट साइड में आ जाएं। एक बार पेरेंट्स से फिर रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो अपनी जगह पे खड़े ना हो, पीछे वालों को दिखाई नहीं देता है। Here the teachers and students come from all parts of the country. Since this KV is situated in Haryana, so the function would be incomplete if we do not have any Haryanvi item. So in this series we have a Haryanvi dance depicting the culture of Haryana. The theme of the songs is Sawan. Let's enjoy the song which Haryanvi ladies sing enthusiastically during the Sawan month. Let's enjoy the song, Haryanvi song.
अगली बारी ताई तेरी से मेरी से हाँ ताई तेरी से ए चल ठीक से ए जब मैं नाचू थी ना थारा ताऊ मैंने लुक लुक के देखे था ए गालो कोई कसूता सा गीत मेरे सिर पर घंटा टोकरी मेरे सिर पर घंटा टोकरी तेरे हाथ में दे दूं ढोल मैं पतली सी कामड़ी तेरे हाथ में दे दूं ढोल मैं पतली सी कामड़ी किरण की धारी में रांझे ने बीन बजाई किरण की धारी में रांझे ने बीन बजाई ए गोरी तन देखूंगा तू कितनी सुथरी आई ए गोरी तन देखूंगा तू कितनी सुथरी आई बता के देखेगा देखण ने शीशा लाई बता के देखेगा देखण ने शीशा लाई बता के देखेगा देखण ने शीशा
इसके बाद 4th क्लास से हेन्या टैगोर सदन की सदस्य 4th क्लास से टैगोर सदन की सदस्य हेन्या
Alumnus of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Sirsa, I request you all please come on the stage. KVS is a pace setting organization and it has its alumnus in different fields of the society, working in the different fields of the society and leading the nation to the greater heights. In the same sequence, the pass outs of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Sirsa, if they are sitting behind, they may also come on the stage. Please come on the stage. In the same sequence, I request our honorable chief guest, Mrs. Sarndeep Kaur Barad, the Deputy Commissioner of Sirsa and Chairperson Vidyalaya Management Committee, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Sirsa, please come on the stage and give the mementos to the alumnus of the Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Sirsa. Madam, please. जो केंद्रीय विद्यालय नंबर 2 के एक स्टूडेंट यदि पीछे भी कुछ बैठे हैं तो प्लीज वो भी आ जाइए। आपको अपना सिर्फ नाम बताना है, इस केवीएस से आप कब पास आउट हुए एंड प्रेजेंटली व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, अभी क्या कर